We have to win.
Yeah,
we
sure.
have to win.
If we have to
today, on Tuesday, Arsenal have to win.
Surely.
Whether
just they must win.
Yeah, that's
if
why.
we have to secure the season, this has to be a must win.
It has to be a win.
Yeah.
And
because you can't lose here and then expect to win at the Bernabeu.
Kubeera win, ate nga ya goal nyingi. Ya
Like
goal nyingi.
Nga 3-0.
Yes, because Arsenal ekakasa nti esobola Madrid.
Yeah, sure.
Madrid tegoba nko.
Yeah,
Arsenal buli omu akimanyi. Everyone knows that. Yeah, sure. Madrid tekuba nko Arsenal mu
Champions League.
Mu Bulaya. Not even in Champions League, but neziba just a kind of like
nekyokulaba abitateebanga mu ggolo
tateebanga mu Arsenal. So
ate nekirala kiriwo kiti ojuka 26 gundi Solukamba yalwala kati buli omu n'agamba Arsenal ewedde ne twakubayo ekiraka kya Senderosi nolwaliro bwe kiri ssaawa eno.
We are all saying history repeats itself.
Best defender yava mukulu nakulu
we lost Solukamba yalwala, then today we lost Magalhaes. So we are very sure history we are going to win on Tuesday.
Sure.
My prediction on Tuesday 3-1. Thank you a lot.
Obiwulidde omuwagizi wa Arsenal bibuulidde omusajja Edward agambye 3-1. Anyway, FUG atanaba subscribing, please genda ku channel yaffe subscribing FUG ku TikTok, following, liking, commenting byonna sizone genda okuwako wakiringa tuweza aba subscribers 10. Bless you.